Well, the weather deck was damp for a while because we had some pop-up showers late this afternoon. They have now moved to the east of Grand Rapids and skies are clearing, and boy, is it going to get cold again tonight. 13 weather ball is green. No change to this weather pattern foreseen. Now we're going to be in the 50s. It's also blinking bright. There'll be another round of these showers popping up tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast temperatures to fall all day. The highs were right around midnight. We forecast 47 for your 5 o'clock temperature. It was 50, but that is within 3 degrees of our forecast 11 days in a row. We're going to continue to drop down into the 30s overnight. Freezing temperatures further inland, frosty temperatures here in the Grand Rapids area. We'll recover into the low 50s tomorrow, and late in the day, there'll be some of these pop-up showers once again. Michael showed you at the bottom of the 5:30 that winter outlook. This is the November outlook, saying that we're going to recover to a little bit higher chance for warmer than average temperatures. In terms of rainfall, have an equal chance of seeing more or less. Nothing in the climate pattern that indicates anything other than a typical November. And this is November through January. We're going to start to see some of that cooler air getting back into the northern plains. So we have pretty much an equal, maybe slightly above average chance for warmer temperatures. And again, that equal chance for precipitation. But you notice that higher chance starting to creep on in. I think we're going to start out the winter on the warm side and end up on the cold and snowy side. We certainly are turning colder. Upper level winds are down from the northwest, but by the end of the weekend, we're going to see it kind of come back in. We're going to cool down again early next week, but the weather pattern is going to shift back to the south and west. The intensity of the warm air, not quite as high as we forecast yesterday. Nonetheless, it should warm up, at least for the second half of the week, and then we'll be back into some of that cooler air. We're going to be right on that boundary. So temperatures to the south will be in the 70s and 80s. To the north will be in the 40s and 60s. Again, tomorrow to this evening, you can see those scattered showers moving on out. Skies are going to clear. It's going to be a rather frosty and freezing night. A couple of those instability showers starting to pop up during the afternoon tomorrow and maybe into the evening. A couple of those high school football games could get wet tomorrow evening, and then the showers move on out. We end the night with clear skies once again, but more clouds roll in on Saturday. Will not be raining all day, but many areas will definitely see some showers. Here tonight and tomorrow, we'll see those showers roll in late in the day. You notice not everyone getting a lot of rain, but most areas will see rain overnight, Friday night into Saturday morning. And finally, temperatures. This is the big change. Instead of 60s and upper 60s to near 70, we're going to be in the 50s, low and mid 50s on Saturday as those south winds go in, and the temperatures will go up again Saturday night, kind of like last night, and then they'll fall. They'll drop down into the 30s and 40s early on Sunday. Forecast then for tomorrow, morning sunshine, afternoon cloud cover with some of those pop-up showers towards evening. Low 50s up north, mid 50s from Muskegon and Holland southward. Again, some morning sunshine, a lot of frost, and we'll see clouds roll in later on in the day with those pop-up afternoon and evening showers. Low 50s, and from Grand Rapids southward, looking at highs in the low and mid 50s. Similar scenario, some morning sunshine and frost, some afternoon clouds and a pop-up shower. 13 on your side forecast. Again, yesterday, if you were with us, we were forecasting warmer temperatures than they are right now for Wednesday through Friday. We've taken the intensity down into the 60s, but most of this next week, we're going to see on and off rain showers.